know, in earlier video lecture we have started a new portion, that is image enhancement technique, and inside that video we have studied about the multiple techniques of image enhancement, where we have discussed about the point operation and filtering, spatial domain filtering and frequency domain filtering. So in image enhancement technique, as we know, we have a logarithmic transform, inverse logarithmic transform is there, gamma transform is there, nth root and nth power transformation is there, and with that we have studied about the image negative and image identity. So in this video lecture we are going to start solving numerical on your logarithmic transformation. So you are going to understand how logarithmic transform used to work in digital image processing. Consider any input given image is what provided to you, and we have a multiple pixel value inside that image, and in question they are going to ask you about to perform a logarithmic transform on this kind of an image is there. So this is the input image there, that is we have a multiple values, 9 different values are there, 1.2, 120, 95, 91, 94, 98, 90, 92 and 99. So these are the multiple pixel values. This is a grayscale image, and if we want to perform a logarithmic transform on this given input image, we have to process a multiple things. We have to do a multiple things in that numerical. So first step is there, and the first is what we have given. We have a formula there for performing a logarithmic transform. So we used to call that the general formation or formula of log transformation is given by S is equals to C log 1 plus R. Now why this kind of a formula is there? Why we have taken log of 1 plus R, as we have told in earlier video lecture. If we are going to consider the value of log 0, then value is going to be a log 0 is not going to be a 0. Okay, so because of that we considered here 1. With that, R value is always need to be greater or equals to greater than 1, greater than 0. Okay, similar like that, C is what have a constant value there. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we have to find out the value of C also. We have to find out the value of L. What is the meaning of value of L? If we are considering the grayscale image, larger gray value pixel is what they are 120. If 120 is a larger pixel, so we can fix the range of the image from 0 to 256. So in between, if we have a larger pixel value, that is 120, so we have to consider what is going to be the value of L. So value of L, what is the possibility there? The possibility says that 2 raised to the power 7 is not going to be the condition. If 2 raised to the power 7 is condition, 128 is not going to be the larger value. So in between 0 to 128, this all value should lie in between that range. So what is the range? 0 to 128, and in between that range our every single pixel value is what there. So what is the value of L? The value of L is 128. Now how 128 we have formulated here? 2 raised to the power 7. So 7 possibilities are there. So 2 raised to the power 7. What it means? 7 is going to be the value of N. Okay, so we have made the value of L and we have made the value of N. Now what we have to do? In case 1, we have to find out the value of C. So in first case, consider the value of C as a 1. So we have to mention the value of 1 in this formulation. So 1 log of 1 plus value of the input pixel. So first input pixel you have to consider, that is 112. Second input pixel value 120 is what you have to consider. Then you have to consider 95. Then you have to consider 91, and same like that we have to perform this on each single pixel intensity value. So how we have performed that? First consider the value of R is 1, 1, 2 and arrange that value in this formula. So ultimately we are going to solve it. S is equals to 1 into log to the base 10, 1 plus 1 by 2. If we solve that, we are going to get a log of 113, and the ultimate output and ultimate answer of log of 113 is going to be a 2.05. Now the value of this output is not exact, so we have to round off the value. How to round off the value? Maximum portion need to get considered. If it is greater than 0.5 value, then you have to consider it as a 2. Okay, so we have round off this value, and the round off calculation of this is what nothing but a 2. Then we are going to perform a same thing on each pixel. 120. So arrange 120 in the formula. 1 into log to the base 10 into 1 plus 120, that is log of 121, because 1 plus 120 is 121. So log of 121, if you are going to solve this on your LC, you are going to get an answer that is 2.082. And if we are doing a round of value of this 2.082, we are going to get the value that is 2. So same is what we are performing on every single pixel from this input image, and we have created the round of values that is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, so every pixel value is what? 2. Now, in second case, we have to find out the value of C. Here we have considered the value of C as a 1 in case 1. In case 2, we have to find out it. How to find out the value of C? We have a formula for that. The value of C is equals to L upon log to the base 10, 1 plus L. So what is the value of L? We have find out the value of L here, that is 128. So put the value of L in this formula. So 128 upon log to the base 10, 1 plus 128. Okay, so what is going to be the output of that? 128 log to the base 10, 1 plus 128 is going to be a 60.6465. If we calculate this value. Now, we have a value of C here. Okay, we have a value of C and we have a values here. Multiple values are there. Now, to create a new image by performing a logarithmic transform, we have created this output. Okay, so we have to multiply this output with your value of a C for creating a new intensity levels of your output pixels. Okay, so this pixel is also going to get changed, this pixel is also going to get changed, and this pixel is also going to get changed. Now perform the same thing here. Watch here. We have value round of value of C, that is 60 is what a round of value. So consider 60. Now original value of logarithmic transform, we have 2.05. Okay, so 2.05 into 60 is ultimately going to be a 123. So what is the value of input pixel here? 112. So new enhanced value is going to turn into a 123. See, now after performing it on the first pixel, we have a second pixel there. That is, we have to do a multiplication between them, that is 60 into value of second logarithmic transform is 2.08. So 60 multiplied by 2.08, that is what going to be the 128. Same process is what we are going to do for a third pixel value also. So third logarithmic transform is 1.9822, and we have to multiply it with value of a C, that is 60, and we does it 60 into 1.982, and output pixel value is 118. So for each case we are doing the same thing. Now for the fourth case we have here 1.9637. So 1.9637 multiplied by 60, ultimately we are going to get a 117. So this is how we used to perform a logarithmic transform on your given image. Okay, so we are just changing the input pixel value or gray level value. We are enhancing the values of gray level by using the logarithmic transformation. So this is what we have studied in this video, how to perform a logarithmic transformation. In next video we are going to start a discussion with the power law transformation, that is the gamma transformation. Thank you for watching.